Hey everybody, this is Kelly.
And I'm Margo from My Favorite Quilt Store, and we're here to show you a fun little project that you can make in a weekend, easily, maybe like even in a day.
Absolutely. I think you made yours up in a day.
I made mine in a day, and this is the one I had made. So what we have here is a fat eighth bundle, and you can make this cute table runner with it by adding a yard of background and a half a yard of binding. And the pattern's free with the fat eighth bundle. So this is a fat eighth bundle. It's a Crayola box looking product from Riley Blake. It's all the confetti cottons, and it's got all kinds of fun Halloween colors in it.
Yes.
And I really had fun making this. The pumpkin's really easy. These candy things are really easy. And gosh, what a great fun this looks on your table at Halloween time, or what a great gift this is if you're visiting someone, or a nice little item to give as a party gift.
Absolutely. And you actually had a lot of fun with the quilting. I'm going to have to pull this forward. She did teeth inside of this pumpkin.
I did do teeth inside the pumpkin.
I loved that.
So then I challenged another friend to make this, and she made hers on this black background, which I think is really fun. The spider webs are actually glow in the dark,
which is the best.
That is. It is a lot of fun. This one, and then we also had put some fun, crazy Halloween fabric on the back in orange. So I quilted this one. It was really a lot of fun to make and do, and you have so many options, because what you get in the Crayola pack is the colors for all of this, and then you just add a yard of the background and a half a yard for binding, and you have everything you need to make this.
Absolutely. And we do sell this as a kit with a bunch of different background and binding options.
We do.
The spiderweb one, we do have the background and the binding matching, since they're, you know, glow in the dark. You want to make it consistent.
Yes, and we have the white cotton. We also have some silver prints. We have a couple different options for bindings that are striped, because I just love striped bindings.
Look how
and then
good
we
that looks.
also have a fun word fabric that we think would look great on the background of it also.
Absolutely.
So we've got some fun ideas to make with this fat eighth bundle. They're on sale right now for $10.99, so grab them while they're still on sale. It is so much fun.
And here's those teeth so you can get a nice glimpse. It's the best.
All right, guys, thanks for watching today, and happy sewing.